How to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos automatically in Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos automatically to your Android device. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp application to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your App Store in the search box, typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update your WhatsApp application. Once you've updated WhatsApp, you just want to go ahead and open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. In order to stop the auto downloading and saving of photos and videos on WhatsApp on Android phone, you have to go to settings by tapping on the three dots on the top right and then selecting settings. Once you go to settings, just go to the option which is storage and data, and here you'll find a section which says media auto download. So first of all, select when using mobile data, you want to uncheck it in order to stop your photos automatically saving while using mobile data. Similarly, when connected on Wi-Fi, you want to uncheck all these options. So what it does is that it is going to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving all the photos and videos to your phone unless you do not go ahead and view them manually. So tap on the OK button once you do so. Similarly, when roaming as well, you can just go ahead and uncheck those. You want to make sure that all this is unchecked. And now when you go ahead and open up a certain chat you view is someone's photo, it is not going to save them to your device automatically. And this is simply how you can stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos to your Android phone automatically. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.